When you are working with Docker, there is a possibility that you have a lot of images installed on your system. So for example, if I do Docker images, I can see a long list of these containers that are available on my system. And if in case I want to filter out these values to find out the image that I am interested in, what I can do is use Docker images followed by the pipe sign and then grep. It is used to filter out the result of the first command. So Docker images result will be filtered by the grep command, and then I'll write out the search keyword, and in this case it's alpine. So if I hit return, you can see result is only one record, that is alpine. So it allowed me to filter out all of the results from the previous command into a single command, and it helps a lot in your Docker journey because you can apply the same concept in Docker PS or any other command that you can execute on your terminal. As you can see, the Docker PS returns nothing because no container is running. And so let's do Docker PS -a. There is a long list again. Let me clear the screen and do Docker PS -a again, and we get this list. Now, if I want to filter out the results based on the name of the image or the container ID or the command or anything else, what I can do is simply write Docker PS -a pipe sign, grep, and then I, for example, use node app. So node app, hit return, you will get the only result that is matching your search criteria. If you have more than one records that have similar values, so for example, if we can go for the puppet, let's do docker ps -a pipe sign grep puppet. You can see that it returns two of the containers that has puppet in them. Similarly, if I use a capital P and hit return, no result is being returned. So why is that? It is because by default, grep is configured to use case sensitive search. What we can do is add a -i flag to it. And now if I hit return, and now you can see that we have two results returned. In case you want to find out more about grep, what you can do is grep -help, and you get this detail. Let me clear it and run this command again to get a better result of this. Or what you can do is man grep. It will give you a more in-depth detail of how to use grep command. We have grep, we have egrep. You can check the synopsis, you can check the flags, and you can hit spacebar to see the details of everything. And once you reach the end of your man page, what you need to do is press Q and it will quit. So you can either use grep -help or you can use man grep to get more details of this particular command.